okay, and after that we got here k, and it is k plus 1, right? So we will say the 4 plus 1 equal to 5. It's very easy. Now let's put the k. Well, I told you yesterday, when the word is saying k, value of the k going from, started from the 4 and goes up to 143, what does it mean? That it means consecutive numbers are there from the 4, from 4, okay, 4, 5, until something else is said about something k. There's nothing saying about the k, nothing is saying, only just saying the k, value of the k started from the k 4 and ended with the 143, okay. No, nothing else, something else in the question, nothing else said, okay. When something else will be said about the k or some other values, then we will discuss about this one, and we will, yeah, of course we will discuss. But right now, nothing saying, it means consecutive numbers are there. It started from the 4. You get your point? So k equal to 4, okay, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 dot 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 143, right? Okay. Now you tell me. I put here now. We will put the values. We'll put the values again and again and again. But actually, we need only 4 terms, okay? Because we want to see the pattern here in this question. Because 4 patterns will be noticed. After that, we can solve the question, right? Now look at it. Keep watching. Now you tell me. Well, the k I put here 6, right? Now let's put 7. You tell me. What do you get here? Root 7 plus. You tell me. You will get root at. It's very easy. Okay. Don't need to put all the values because we don't need to put all the values. Okay. Getting a point? Don't need to put all the values because we have to see the pattern. After that, we will solve the question. Okay, starting 4 terms we need, and end of the story we need four things as well. You will say, sir, why should I need the 4 terms? Okay, starting 4 terms we need and ending 4 terms we need, because both these things will decide what could be the answer. You get your point? They start. So no need to write the all, because we cannot write the all terms. Can we write the all terms? No, we cannot write it because 143 terms will be there. No, 143, 139, because it started from the 4. Right, the 100, because yeah, start from the 40. It is not start from the 1 layer. That's over almost 133, 139 terms will be there. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. It is we are counting like this. Okay, so now it is start from the k and going up to the 143. Right. So now in this time we need how many terms? How many terms we need? 4. Now, first of all, what is the last term? First, we have to decide what is the last term. After that, we will come back now. We start from here. Okay, we start from the 4, and we got the first term. Then putting the value 143, we will get the last term. Right now, we will get the last term. First, let's put the last value. Now, last value 1 by. You tell me value of the k equal to 143. Yeah. So this time, this will be 143. I think you are noticing. This will be 143. You tell me what it will. I hope you understood that. The last term will be 144. You're not. I think you're confused. Confused now? Actually, I want to write the last term from this one. Last term. What will you write the last term from this one, right? You will say, bhai, listen now. Last term, because value of the last value, or we can say the end value of the k is here 143. Now in this expression, if you put the value of the k equal to 143, you'll get k 143. But this term is more than 1 now. Previous term. This term is more than 1 to the previous term. And it is k plus 1. So it means you will get here 143 and you will get 144. You know, it seems like that you don't understand anything here. Yes, sir. What I'm saying to you now, if you just write the last term of this one, okay. If you want to write the last term of this one, you will say, so let's put the value of the k here 143. In this time, if you put the value of the k equal to 143 in this time, here you will get 143. What will you get in this time? Absolutely, because k plus 1 and value of the k. Yeah, here it is a k plus 1 and k plus 1 143 plus 1. What will you get, guys? I hope you understood that. Okay, let's come back now. The last term, it is the previous term. Value of the k, what will you put? 142. You understood the point. So you tell me, sir, just the previous term, we will show. You're making me happy at the morning time. You're making my day. Thank you. K equal to. We are putting the last term 143, just previous term. So this time, what will you get? 142. You will get that? Or you tell me this time what will you get? I hope you understood that. Yes, sir. Now, previous term. Again, one more previous term. 141 plus. I hope you understood that. How we are getting that? How we are getting? Because we're putting we are putting 143, we are putting 142, and we are putting 141, and this term is the increasing by one from this term, right? So 143 is increasing by 142 plus 1, you'll get 143. The 141 plus 1, you'll get 142. Let's write the one more term. Let's write the one more term. Okay. Now you tell me 140 plus 140. I hope you understood that. So we wrote here the last four terms, and we wrote here the starting four terms. And starting four terms and the last four terms will decide the whole question. What could be the answer of this? What could be the answer of this question? So let's go. Let's notice the pattern here. We have to notice the pattern here, right? Okay, let's go. So what I'm saying now, I'm just telling you now that perhaps you know what? Why I'm telling you, we need to notice the pattern. Perhaps we have solved the question like this way. Do you remember this type of question? Do you remember this type of question? Plus dot dot dot. So in this time, minus 1 raised to the power 100. Now this time, this type of questions we discussed in the last time, or previously any of the previous classes we discussed. Often don't do that, first of all. And second thing, if you're doesn't feeling cold, just go outside and just bring your jacket and wear now, and don't sit like this way, putting your hand together, folding. Don't do that. Show me some energy right now. What I'm telling you now, this type of question, we cannot write all the terms because it goes up to the 100 terms, right? It goes, yes, fix it, yeah. Are you okay? Am I kidding with him? Huh? Why laughing? You're laughing at me, you're laughing at him, or you're laughing with whom? So,
5 minutes I'll bring breakfast after that you continue.
no problems. All the
You
customers.
also and students.
Okay, understand here. So we will say here, in this type of questions, we need to notice the pattern here, okay? So similarly, in this time, we need to understand the pattern, okay? We have to see the pattern here, right? We will see the pattern, and after that, we will solve the question, right, bro? Okay, now put your eyes there, try to understand. You will say, so what is the pattern here? If you notice something here, you will say, you will get here minus 1, but minus 1 raised to the power 2. Don't speak anything. Minus 1 raised to the power 2, and we know about that. When the base is minus and power is even number, then we will say get result is positive, right? So you will say positive, positive multiply positive. What do you get? Plus 1 this time. Again, we have to see the pattern here. Plus, and you will get the result of this one. You will get a minus, right? Plus multiply minus. What will you get, guys? Minus. So here you'll get plus. Okay. So this is the pattern actually. This is not actually question is this. Okay. So question is this, but actually, if you see the pattern, this is the pattern. Okay. Now in this time, we will cancel this one, right? We'll cancel and we'll get the answer, right? Now look at the board. So similarly, in this time, we have to see the pattern here, or we may have to notice the pattern here, right? Tell me now. So in this time, we will see the pattern, or we will notice the pattern, right? We'll notice the pattern. One more time. You will see that. Okay, now in this time, if you'll see this carefully, this one, I'm talking about the first term. We have to understand all the terms one by one. Okay, we'll see the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like this way. Okay, the first term we have right now. What is the first term we have? The first term we have, that is, I'm going to do directly. Okay, I'll not just write the things here. I'll do directly. Please try to understand. Keep understanding right now. Okay, the first term we have 1 by root 4 plus root 5. By the somebody can say that, sir, can I write the root 4 equal to 2? Yeah, of course you can do that. It's not a big deal. If you want to write the root 4 equal to 2, because square root of 4, what is that? 2, right? So if you want, you can put the 2 here, no problem at all. It's not a big deal. Okay, same answer you will get that, no problem. But all the terms are written in the square form, square root form. That's why I don't need to write it. Yeah. What do you mean? Sorry, you're asking the question. So now we're gonna solve the first term. We will see the first term thing. We will see the pattern in the first term first of all. You will say, sir, let's do the rationalization, because whenever is there in the whenever is there something in the terms of irrational number, when we see the irrational number in the denominator, what we do, we try to make it a rational number, right? So we have to just make it rational number. You tell me, what will you do? You'll say, sir, we know so many times we solve this kind of question, how to change the denominator into the rational form. We will see, sir, change the symbol, root 4 minus root 5, right? And you tell me, root 4 minus root 5. We can do this. Tell me, taking the bracket here. We need to take the bracket here, right? Start up. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see the 2 minutes here. So 1 by root 4 plus root 5, right? So now a multiplier, root 4 into root 5. Look at here. Try to understand that. What kind of standing you're standing like this? What you're doing? Shakhsiyat prasti nahi karni bhai. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, that's a good position. Yeah. यहाँ लोग अपने भाई को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते और दूसरों को सर पे चढ़ा के रखते, ताज सर का ताज बना देते हैं. ठीक है जी, भाई अपने भाई बहनों का रिस्पेक्ट करो भाई, दूसरे कोई काम नहीं आने वाले. तो 1 by root 4 plus root 5, right? Multiply root 4 into minus root 5 by root 4 minus root 5. Okay, now in this time you will say this term you will say root 4 minus root 5. Okay, now you tell me, what will you get here? Square minus root 5 ka square. You tell me, you will get 2 minus root 5 by, you tell me, what will you get here? 4 minus 5, right? Yes, sir. Now in this time you will say, now let's see something again. In the denominator you will get the negative result, perhaps, if you notice. Yes, sir. Look at that. What is this? 4 minus 5? Yes, sir. 4 minus 5? What will you get? Minus 1. So guys, try to understand. Puri is there, Puri is here. 2 minus root 5 by minus 1. Okay, in the denominator you will get that. Actually this is the thing, you will get that. This is the thing. Okay, now understand here. Try to understand here. Now from here you will say, because we want to remove, no need to just put the minus 1 in the denominator. We have to remove the minus 1 from the denominator. Okay, to change minus 1 to make it plus 1, what will you do? You will say, sir, what I'm saying to you, I'm just telling you, to remove the minus 1 from to remove the minus 1, we need to tag the to remove the minus 1, or we can say to remove to make the minus 1 negative 1, make it positive, we have to tag the minus 1 into the multiplication. Yes, we have to tag the minus 1 into the multiplication. Either we can write here or we can write there, no problem at all. Anybody we can write that. Now whatever the work we do in the denominator, same work we have to do, because we are doing by also, this is the property of the fraction, or we can say this is a property of a rational number. This is called equivalent rational number, or we can say this is the equivalent fraction, we can say that, because here the irrational part is there. That's why we have to discuss about the rational number. We have to say the rational number, but even we can say the fraction, because written in the form of the p by q, written in the form of the a by b, or written in the form of the numerator and denominator. That's why it's called fraction, right? Now in this time you tell me, to make it negative 1, to make it positive, we have to take the minus 1 into multiplication. Tell me now. Yes, because we are doing right now by ourselves. Come here. You will say, so right now to make, we are doing by ourselves here. So when we are doing something by ourselves, definitely we have to do something that will satisfy the equation, or that will satisfy the expression. So that's why we have to tag the minus 1 into the multiplication in the numerator as well. Yes, getting the point? Okay, I hope you understood that. Now you tell me, because now yeah, also keep in the mind, somebody will say, or you will say, sir, why we are writing all the time in this side? Can we write in this side? Yeah, of course we can write that, no problem at all. If somebody writes minus 1 like this way, no problem. Somebody writes in this here, is there any problem? No problem at all. If we are putting the minus 1 like this way, if you are doing like this way, no problem. But actually when we just put the things in this side, now that is more beautiful, we can say that. I'll get your point, what I'm saying. More beautiful, otherwise no big deal. Okay, we can put here, we can put there, no problem. Okay, now notice something here. So what I'm telling you now, in this time, what will happen, guys? The minus 1 will be the positive one, the negative 1 will be the positive one, right? So minus 1 multiply plus 2, what will you get, guys? Minus 2 minus into minus, what will you get? Plus root 5. Okay, and denominator, what will you get, guys? You will get 1. I hope you understood that. You will get 1. Okay, we gonna now. Did you understand what I did here? Do you understand that? No understanding. Alright, understand it? Listen now. Listen now. Understand again. No problem. Now, first of all, did you understand? Did you understand this tree? Did you understand this tree? It's very easy. That's very easy, no? Because this is rationalization we had studied till now. Okay, so many times we studied that, so we solved so many questions. Okay, now in this time we'll say so 2 minus root 5 by what will you get, guys? Minus 1. You will get minus 1, right? Tell me now. You'll get minus 1. In this time, you tell me 2 minus root 5. Now, because you want to remove the minus 1 from there, so what will you do, guys? Plus 1. So, guys, to make it, to make the positive one, to make it positive of negative 1, you have to multiply with the minus 1 again. Okay? So, somebody can ask the question, sir, why you multiply? Because I can multiply with the minus 2 as well. Hey guys, if you type, yeah, of course, somebody will say, sir, why multiply with the 1? I can do minus 2 with the minus 2 as well. I can take minus 2 as well. Hey guys, the denominator was the 1. Why am I making it 2 here? Because it's more, of course, no problem at all. You can take minus 2 because sir, you said that make it positive. Of course, I can take 2 minus 2 and it will be positive because minus 2 to minus 2 will be positive and 2 1 is 2. But the problem will be created here. What was the problem? Problem is that in denominator you will get 2. You will get 2. Somebody will say, sir, I'll cancel. Yes, if you can cancel, no problem. So if you cancel, you will get 1. 1, 1, 1. So why don't you take 1? If you can cancel, because both the things will be cancelled. Somebody will say, sir, I can take. You are saying that make the negative 1, make it positive. Okay, you are saying that now. So I can take 100. I'll take minus 100. And in the numerator, because it is equivalent to rational number now. And equivalent to rational numbers, what we do? We have to we can multiply with any three. Now I can multiply with the minus 100. So what's the problem? Why my problem is nothing. My problem is that still the minus and the minus will be plus. You will get minus 100. You will get plus 100. And again you have to cancel. Why you are? Because if you are cancelling 100 divided by 100, you will get 1. So if the 1 comes, why are taking the 100? You're getting a point. If the still yet 1 comes there, if the 1 is still there, why are taking the 100? Question arises, right? Question arises. Do you feel what I'm saying now? आराम से पूरा बैठी हुई एकदम. What I'm telling you now, you will say, sir, if I'll take the 100 and 100, even after cancellation, we will get the 1. So why we are taking so that's why I'm telling you, don't take 100. Even taking 100 is not a big deal. Taking 100, but the complex problem, I mean, the more complex things you will get that. Calculation, we have to get a lot of things. Calculation, you will get again. A lot of calculation. Again, you have to divide the 100 and 100, you have to cancel again. That's what do you feel what I'm saying now? If we tag the 1 there, less calculation. If we tag the 100, more calculation. I hope you understood that. Okay, now understand here. So what I'm gonna do now.
If we want to remove minus 1, we can add the plus 1.
Great question he's asking. He's saying, sir, you are saying that just remove the minus 1, taking plus 1. Okay, taking plus 1, and now whatever we are doing the work in the denominator, same thing we will do in the numerator. You are saying that? You are saying that? But the whole question will be changed. First of all, second thing, in denominator you will get 0, and something by 0 it is undefined. First thing, and also keep in the mind, in the fraction only we can divide and multiply. We cannot add and subtract. Let me tell you what I'm saying. 8 by 5. Let's assume 8 by 4. Okay. Now 8 by 4 can be written as equivalent to fraction. As equivalent, this is a fraction. Okay. Equivalent to fraction. You will say, sir, I want to remove the 4 from there. Okay. Or let's do something. Sir, somebody will multiply in the numerator with the 2 and denominator with the 2. No problem at all. No problem. No problem at all. And somebody can divide by 2 here, and somebody can divide by 2 here as well. No problem at all. This is not a big deal. Absolutely, this and this are equal to each other. But what happens when we? I'm gonna show you. Don't worry. 8 2 ja 16. 4 2 ja 8. Got it? So I can say that 4 by 8 is nothing but 16 by 8. 8 by 4 is nothing but 16 by 8. 8 by 4 is nothing but 16 by 8. They're looking like the different. Actually, they are equal. They looking like different, but actually they are equal. If you want to see, you can see there. 8 2 ja 4 2 ja 2 by 1 2 by 1 here, 2 by 1. Both are equal? Tell me now. They're looking like different in the numbers. They're looking like different. Actually they are equal. I mean, it means we can multiply numerator and denominator with any number. But what happens when we do adding or subtraction, right? Let's see that. Sir, 8 by 4. If somebody will say, sir, I want to add 2 here and I want to add 2 here, what will happen? Understand what will happen? 8 plus 2, what will you get, guys? 10. 4 plus 2, what will you get, guys? 6. It means you are saying that, sir, it means 10 by 6 should be equal to the 8 by 4, because we are saying that now. You are saying that now. Then it means I can say that, sir, 10 by 6, or we can say 8 by 4 should be equal to the 10 by 6. Let's cancel with the 2. What will you get, guys? 3. What will you get, guys? Can you say 8 by 4 is equal to 5 by 3? It means adding the operation of addition cannot be done in case of the fraction.
Yes,
I hope.
Then why are you saying this sentence? You have to remove -1.
I did not say that okay, I did not say that. I said that to make it positive. What I said.
You said remove
Hey, I did not say that, yeah.
-1.
I'm sorry, I typed perhaps slip of tongue, perhaps. But what I said, make the -1, make the -1, make it positive. Make -1 to positive. I said that. What I said, I did not say that remove the -1 from there, from the picture. But in this time, somebody tells you x minus 1 equal to 5. This time I will say that to find out the value of the x, remove the -1 from the picture. To find out the value of the x from. Already I've lost my times today. X minus 1 equal to 5. Now this time to find out the value of the x here, value of the x here, definitely I have to remove the -1 from the picture. This time you can say that -1, I'll take +1. I'll take +1, right now? And here I'll take +1, right? This time it's okay, no problem at all. This time it's okay. Got the point? So x equal to, you will get, it's okay to remove the -1 from the picture. But this time what I said to you, make the -1 to positive, as +1. Change the -1 to the +1. Do you feel me what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. It's a million dollar question. Okay, what I'm asking now, so you will get the result finally after solving 1 by 4 root under 4 plus root under 5. You will get the last second term. You will get 2 minus root 5 by -1. You will get that. So I'm gonna write here directly. Please just notice here, I'm gonna write here this one directly, root 4 minus root 5 by -1. I'm not gonna do the rationalization here, the whole process you will do by yourself. No understanding, no? No understanding, no? Actually, 1 by root under 4 plus root under 5 can be written as root under 4 minus root under 5 by -1. How? Yeah, I wrote 2 here. Okay, I should write a 4 here. I'm sorry. Actually, root 4 equal to 2. I wrote root 4 equal to 2 here. So root 4 minus root 5 by -1. Tell me now, yaar. Root 4 minus root 5 by -1. Any problem? Root 4 minus root 5 -1. Nobody says something.
No problem.
Yes, sir. 4 minus
4 minus 4, 5 minus 1.
Sir, why don't you do there? You can ask the question. Because yeah, actually I need to write a lot of terms. That's why I wrote directly. You will do this rationalization. Okay. So do the rationalization here. Yeah, you can do that. No problem. Okay. You tell me directly. The next term we have 1 by root 5 plus root 6. You tell me what will you get? Like these terms. I hope you understood that. Don't worry. We will do the calculation again for the last term, for the second term. Root 5 plus root 6. What is the rationalization? Rationalization, we have to change the symbol. We have to change the symbol, right? The middle symbol we have to change to make it positive. Okay. Now in this time you will say that, so root 5 minus root 6 by a plus b into a minus b. So root 5 का whole square minus root 6 का whole square. So you will get here root 5 minus root 6 by 5 minus 6. Right now? अरे यार, it will be cancelled यार. It will be cancelled out. Both will be cancelled out. Got it? So you will get here now in this time, you will say root 5 minus root 6 by minus 1. Understood that? So I'm gonna write here. I'm gonna write here. Don't worry, because this time we have to put the minus 1 here. Otherwise, if I just write, if I do directly, then you will be confused. That's why I just wrote this last second term I wrote there. Okay, plus now put your eyes here. Sir, one. Sorry, this one. Root 5 minus root 6 by 5 minus 6.
Minus one, correct? Use the minus.
Oh, we can just write here. Thank you. We can write this. Any problem? No problem. Okay, let's go. Let's come here. Under root 6 minus under root 7
Upon minus one.
minus 1. You tell me here.
Under root 7 minus under root 8 upon minus 1.
You'll get minus 1 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come back to the last 4 terms. Last 4 terms. Come here. Try to understand last 4 terms. The starting 4 terms we have. We have here. We have here starting 4 terms. Okay, now here. So dot. Thank you. We'll put last 4. Let's come back to the last 4 term. Again, the same thing. Rationalization. 140 minus 141. 1 root under 140 minus root under 141. You tell me. You're noticing something?
Yes.
Let's come here. Come here. Plus 141 minus 142 by.
Upon minus 1.
Hey, this is equal to something, na yaar?
Yes, sir. It is equal to a minus root b.
Okay, a minus.
Root b.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Actually, this is equal to root b. So I don't have the place. You can just write equal to. No problem. Okay, you can just write. In the last term, we need to write that equal to here. A minus root b. We have to say something about the a and the b. Okay, and options are given. Okay, we have to say something. The relation is given there in the options. Multiple choice question now. The relations are given about a and the b there. Okay, get my point. So what I'm saying to you now, don't worry. So you tell me here. You'll get minus 1. You tell me here. 140 minus by plus 1 equal to a minus root b.
Yes, sir.
A minus. So if you want, you can write that, no problem. Actually, we don't have any problem with the RHS. We have the problem with the LHS. Let's solve the LHS, get something in the LHS, okay? Then we will make equal to the RHS. Or also, we can say here, can we say? These are LHS? We can say that? The LHS. Let's solve the LHS. And after that, in the last, we will make it equal to the RHS. We will solve the question. We will say about the A and the B. Yeah? No, absolutely not. We did not get the answer. What I'm telling you now, now again, what I said to you, remove the no, make the negative one, change the negative one to the positive one, change the negative one. So you tell me, so root under 4 minus root under 5 by minus 1. So definitely I have to take the minus 1 again, multiplication. So I'll take minus 1, right, wrong? Right, wrong? To change the negative 1, we have to change negative to the positive. We have to take the into multiplication, we have to take the minus 1. Okay? Now, second term. Root 5 minus root 6 by minus 1. You tell me. Tell me first. Multiply. Minus 1 plus. Next. Root 6.
Upon minus 1. Minus 1.
plus. Again, the same thing we have to do in the last four terms. What is the last four term we have? 140 minus 1 root under 141 by minus 1. Okay, next. Thank you, thank you. So 141 minus 142, right, wrong? By minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. We can do this. Two terms we have written, third terms. Third terms we have 140 root under 142 minus 140. Tell me now, yaar. 143, but by minus 1. We can do this. The last term, 143 minus 140 root under 143 minus root under 144, multiply with the minus 1. Okay, multiply with the minus 1. Any problem? Can you see this? What is this? You cannot see. Okay, no problem. I can write here minus 1. Can I do this? No, it's okay. It is plus here. Now here plus. This will be written here. I don't have the place now. That's why I have written here. Okay. Now I'm gonna do directly. Please just be careful now. Minus 1 multiply with the plus 4. It will be minus root 4. And minus 1 multiply with the minus root 5. It will be positive root 5. This will be positive root 5. And this will be negative root 4. So you tell me. Root 5 minus root 4. Directly be decorated here. Minus to minus, it will be plus. No need to write the plus 1 here in denominator. Okay. Again. Root under minus 1 multiply positive root of 5. It will be negative root 5. Minus 1 multiply positive root 6. It will be now what will happen, guys? Minus root under 5, positive root under 5 minus negative root under 6 into root under minus 1. So minus 1 multiply with this one, it will be negative root 5. So negative root 5. Minus into minus, what will happen, guys? It will be positive root of 6. So can we decorate this one, if you don't mind? I hope and show that. So what we can write here, this one, so plus, and outside is plus there, so no problem. When the outside is plus there, then not a big deal, not a big deal. Okay, no changes, symbol will not be changed. Okay, so you will just write here positive 6 minus minus root 5. Understood that? Huh? No understanding, no? Confusion, no? Actually, what happens here? Listen. Your root 4 minus root 5 multiply with the minus 1. Actually, what will happen in this time? Plus root 4 multiply with the minus 1. The root 4 multiply with minus 1, and now the minus root 5 multiply with the minus 1, right now? So what will happen, guys? Root 4 one jump. Root 4 and plus is that plus multiply minus, you will get minus here. Minus into minus, what will you get, guys? Plus. Root 5 into 1 equal to root 5. Okay, got the point? Okay, so you will say now, sir, now this can be decorated, or it will be written in the beautiful way, root 5 minus root 4. This will be written in this way, na? Plus positive root 5 will be written first, and minus root 4 will be written last. We just decorated. So why don't you keep in the same way? No problem. Keep in the same way, no problem at all. But the plus is saying in the mathematics, actually saying that just write the plus first, you know. Plus saying that some things are you know, that like tradition way, cultural way, you know, we can say the rituals, cultures, you know. Yeah, of course, some rituals कैसा होना चाहिए ना. हाँ, लोग मर जाते हैं तो खाना खिलाना बनता है ना. समझ नहीं आता मिट्टी देने आए. हाँ, कुरान खानी करवाना चाहिए, है ना? तौहीन कुरान करवाना चाहिए ना जी, फालतू का क्या? हाँ बोलो क्या? मैंने कहा, मैंने कुरान फालतू, अब अस्तगफुरुल्लाह कैसी बात करूँ, माज़अल्लाह। मैंने कहा कि कुरान खानी फालतू है, कुरान खानी फालतू है। ऑफ कोर्स तौहीन कुरान है, ऑफ कोर्स तौहीन कुरान है। क्या वो जो बच्चे आते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, उसे खुद नहीं पता कि पढ़ने आए कि खाने आए, उसको पता है पढ़ने के बाद खाना मिलना है, माइंड में यही चलता है उसका। और कैसे पढ़ते पता नहीं चलता, एक एक पारा सबको दे देता है, 5 पेजेस 10 पेजेस गए, खत्म हो गया, कंप्लीट, लाइए खाना लाइए। पहली बात। दूसरी बात, ये रस्मो रिवाज, अल्लामा इकबाल ने कहा था ना, रहेगा ये रस्मो रिवाज, वो हुए बिलाली ना रही। तो इन्हें जितनी तो कुरान खैर छोड़ो, जिसको कुरान से पढ़ना चाहिए तो वही नहीं पढ़ रहा था, वो खाना बनाने लगा। जिसको पढ़ना चाहिए, भाई पढ़ना चाहिए तो भाई नहीं पढ़ रहा होता है, बहन पढ़ना चाहिए तो बहन नहीं पढ़, खाना बना रही होती है अंदर। जिसको पढ़ना है तो वो पढ़ ही नहीं रहा है। जो जिसका भाई मरता है, जिसके बाप मरती है, जिसका, उसका बेटा पढ़ ही नहीं रहा है, बेटा बुला रहा है, बेटा खुद नहीं पढ़ रहा है, हम खुद, मैंने खुद पढ़ा। हाँ, फिर क्या दूसरों से पढ़वा रहा है, जब जो काम वही तो मैं कह, अरे वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ। तो फिर तो आप ये बोलेंगे, फिर तो आप ये बोले कब्रों में जो जा रहा है, जो उसको सजदे कर रहे हैं, फिर जो मजार लगा रहे हैं, फिर तो वो भी सही, सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा। फिर बस उतना तो कर रहा है क्या? तौहीन कुरान। बेटा बेटा सब कुछ जानता है, बेटा नोज द फिजिक्स, बेटा नोज द साइंस, बेटा नोज द केमिस्ट्री, बेटा नोज द पॉलिटिकल थिंग, बेटा नोज द how to make the money in the world, better knows that how to spread the light to the people, better knows that how to save the insult, how to do in the everything. He knows that I know everything in this world, I know everything in this world, how to deal with the people, I know everything in this world, how to speak in front of the people, I know how to speak English, I know that. I know how to do the deal with the mathematics questions. I learned so many things. I do the hard work. Even I do the hard work, but I don't know how to do the even a simple single. Quran is the most simple book in the world right now. Huh? Nothing is simple in this world if you don't until you do the hard work. Yeah, if you do the hard work, everything is simple. Yeah.
Yeah, everything will be easy if you use the hard work. Everything will be easy if you use the hard work.
That's correct. Stop. ये अल्फाज मेरे नहीं है, डॉक्टर इसाद समय के साथ जो मैंने यहाँ पे चेप दिया है। आई एम रियली सॉरी। आपको लग रहा है मेरी तरफ से, ऑफकोर्स मेरी तरफ से नहीं कर, आई डोंट नो दैट, मुझे ना आता पता। मैंने खुद 5 पेजेस कुरान के पढ़ रखे हैं, कुरान शरीफ के पढ़ रखे हैं, 5 पेजेस स्टार्टिंग, मुझे नहीं पता। मैं डॉक्टर इसाद साहब को सुन रहा था, ही वाज सेइंग दैट एंड ही इज द, और एक और दो चार और ही हैं जो अभी उठने वाले हैं। दुनिया से अल्लाह इल्म छीन रहा है, आलिम, एक्चुअल आलिम छीन रहे हैं, अल्लाह छीन रहे हैं। एक्चुअल जो आलिम है, दे नो द एक्चुअल वर्ल्ड व्यू, they have the actual knowledge, they know the Quran, they know the physics, they know the chemistry, they know the economics things, they know, वो अब अल्लाह छीन रहा है। डॉक्टर इस्लाम सब जाके, एक और है इमरान हुसैन साहब फ्रॉम अमेरिका, वो भी अभी जाने, बूढ़े हो गए, बहुत बूढ़े हो चुके हैं, वो भी जाने वाले। नौमान अली खान ऑल्सो तफसीर कुरान, वो भी जाने वाले हैं। तो जो इंटेलेक्चुअल लोग हैं, हाँ देखो कितने बूढ़े हो गए। अब नाउ दे विल ऑफ कोर्स दे विल नाउ गो। ओके, आलिम छीनने वाले अल्लाह से, अल्लाह छीनने वाले आलिम हम लोगों से। अब हम लोग दीन सीख रहे हैं यूट्यूब से। But okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's no. Root 6 minus root 7. Root 6 minus root 7. Multiply with the 1. What will happen, guys? It will be positive root 7. Okay. It will be minus root 6. Okay. So here in this time, you tell me here. Guys, don't be confused. Okay. Now I've done this. Now dot plus. You tell me here. 141 minus. You tell me. Come here. Thank you. Come here. Come first. One day root 40, one day root 42, one day root 42. We have done that. Okay. And minus 140. Which one we have done? This one? Okay, this one. You tell me. This one. Plus. You tell me. in denominator it will be 1 1 1 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now notice something here. Root 5 minus root 5 will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
Root 6 minus root 6 will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
Minus root 7 plus root 7 minus root 7 will be cancelled out. So similarly, plus root add minus root add will be cancelled out. Similarly, plus root now except this minus 4, all things will be cancelled out. And in the last, just notice something. Now keep cutting here. Minus plus 1 under root 41 plus minus 1 plus 1 under root 41 minus 1 under root 41. It will be cancelled out. Minus 140 minus 140 plus 142. It will be cancelled out, and 142 will be cancelled out. Right, wrong? And plus 140. This will be cancelled out. Right, wrong? What is left? Okay. Actually, minus 140 will be cancelled out from listen, if you take the one more term there, hey, don't be confused. Sir, you will say, sir, minus 140 is left. Hey, don't be confused. Actually, minus 142 will be cancelled from.
Yes, sir.
Achha, okay. Before this term, we will get one more term now.
Yes, sir.
We'll get one. This is 141. 141. Okay. So this time you will get. You will here this time. 139. 139. Tell me now. And plus it will be 140. 140. Now what is this term? You will get, sir, 139 minus 140 by minus 1. Now it will be like this. It will be 140 minus 139. This one. So now you can see there plus 140 before this term plus 140. Now you can see the minus 140. It will be cancelled out. Now, sir, what about minus 139? Again will be cancelled out from. Yeah. So what is left? Left is we have minus root under 4 and plus 144. Right, wrong? Tell me now. Now in this time, now this is LHS. What is this? This is LHS. We have to take the RHS now. What is the RHS? Now, by the way, we can solve this one. Okay, guys, don't be confused. This is LHS. Otherwise, no. Let me just write here. This the whole things. After solving the whole things, we got what? We got minus root. We got here minus root 4 plus 144. Now equal to a minus root b. This is the thing we got that. This is the thing we got that now. Now can you write this thing? Here you will just write the minus 2 square root of 4 equal to 2, and here you will get plus 12 equal to a minus root b. Now you tell me what will you get, guys? 10 a minus root b. Right, wrong? Now the 10 can be written. The 10 can be written 10 plus square root of 0. So now the question arises something here, because here the minus is there. Here if you have to tag the minus here, okay, because square root of 0 is 0, and if you subtract square root 0, square root 0 from the 10, nothing will change. The question will be as it is. So a minus root b. Now can you compare? Value of the a equal to 10 and value of the b equal to 0.
Value minus b, sir.
I know you're gonna ask the question. I knew that. Actually, yeah.
Then we can write as 12 minus root 4.
I'm sorry.
That 10 is there. 10 equal to a minus root b. I can write a also 12.
Sorry.
12 minus
under root
root 4.
a minus under root b. Great observation. So if I'll just do that again, I'll get the train. Okay, no problem. Now in this time, value of the a equal to 12 and value of the b equal to b equal to 4. B equal to 4. I'm not talking about the root under b. I'm talking about the b. B equal to this b, this b. B is here, b is here. B equal to 4. Let's go the options. Options are there 12 and 4. Anywhere? No options? Is there an option?
Only 12 in the option.
No need 12 in the option? Of course we can do that. Absolutely we can. Somebody can do that. 10 can be written 12 minus root under 4. Right? 10 can be written 12 minus under root 4. The value of the, let us comparing here, comparing. What we are doing here, comparing here. A equal to 12 and now minus root under 4 equal to minus root under b. Okay? So this will cancel out. So root under 4 equal to root under b. Squaring on the both sides, this will cancel out. So b equal to what will you get?
4.
You will get 4. So the range of the a and the b should be given 12 and 4, but there is none of the answer. When the none of the answer is given in the form of the train and choose something, 10 or 4 something.
4, 7, 0.
So we will go through the, when the options are not given there, answer some other possibilities may be the, so maybe some other possibilities, but when the options are given we will see the options. So that's why we can just write here root 10 can be written as 10 minus root under square root of 0. We can write that. Now compare a equal to 10 and minus square root of 0 equal to minus root b. Okay, squaring on both sides. Okay, root 0 square okay, equal to minus root b square. You tell me, all this will be 0. This will be cancel out everything. It will be minus it will be positive. 0 equal to, it will be cancel out everything. No need to cancel here because it is working for the minus as well. So error minus will be positive now here. Power 2 is the square. We are doing squaring on both sides here. So
Yes, sir.
b equal to 0. So hence what will you say? 10 0. 10 and a 0 is given somewhere. Which option?
Option S.
Option A. Hence you let's write that. Write directly hence 10 and 0. This is the value of the A and B. Case closed. Write down.